Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description, and there is another most important thing I want to show you is let's undo the date sorting and filter maybe February or March 23, let's say. Now this March 23 is scattered around the rows. This is row 10, then 234, then 278. What if I want to delete this month? I can simply select like this, or maybe go like this and then do a shift space. Now our data is selected. If I delete these rows by doing this, or maybe control minus or short key, then let me tell you very important thing here, a tip or trick that it will delete all the data from row 10 to row 585, because what you selected is from 10 to 585. But in real, you want to delete row 10, 234, 278. I'm just holding control and then clicking 288, 413, this, and this. Well, now you can simply delete these row. If now you delete row, then it will only delete the rows which were selected. This is what we wanted, and obviously this is the simpler way to delete these. But let's say this is a huge data and you cannot simply do this one by one. So what would you do? I mean, you will just start from here and go till end. Let's say there are thousands of rows, and then you select this. Then you don't want to delete the rows hidden in between these rows because of filter. Filter is just filtering the rows for you. It's just for viewing purpose, not for, I mean, the previous data is still there. You can still see that there are 619 rows and there are rows hidden in between. If you clear this filter, then you can see the data which wasn't filtered. There is an easier way to do this, and that is select this, you know how to do that, and go for Alt from your keyboard. While holding Alt, press semicolon. Now you can see it selected the visible cells. This is a short key to select the visible cells. Now we can simply delete these rows, and this will only delete the selected data, but we don't want to delete. This was just an example to show you. Whenever you delete this, be careful, because while filtering and deleting might make a mess. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in next video.